Right now, in this very moment, you think you are experiencing the present. You are not. Everything you see, hear, and feel is a reconstruction, a memory already 80 milliseconds old. So, what exactly is the now you're living in? And how far behind reality are you really? Your brain is not a live camera feed. It's more like a film editor, assembling footage after it's already been shot. When light hits your eyes, electrical signals race through millions of neurons toward your brain. That journey takes time. About 80 milliseconds, less than a blink, but more than enough to change everything. Imagine a phone call with an 80 millisecond delay. You hear the person, but only after they've already spoken. That's your entire life. And it's not just vision. Sound arrives at a different delay, touch at another, pain even later. Each sense runs on its own clock. So your brain does something extraordinary. It stitches all these mismatched, delayed signals into one seamless moment and calls it now. But here's where it gets truly strange. Your brain doesn't wait for the information to arrive. It predicts the future. When you catch a ball, you are not reacting to where it is. You are reacting to where your brain decided it would be. Trick those predictions, like in the rubber hand illusion, and you can make a person feel real pain in a hand that isn't theirs. So the reality you experience is never raw data. It's a story your brain wrote, slightly in the past, slightly edited, slightly wrong. Every decision, every conversation, every moment of love or fear or wonder, all of it, a best guess, running 80 milliseconds behind. And if that unsettles you, physicists would calmly add that the concept of now doesn't even appear in the laws of the universe. But here's what's remarkable. That delay, that tiny gap between the world and you, is where consciousness lives. It's where meaning is made. Every person you've ever loved, every sunset, every moment of grief or joy, none of it reached you in real time. And yet, you felt all of it. Maybe your brain isn't broken for living in the past. Maybe it's the most extraordinary thing in the universe, turning echoes into experience. You will never catch the present, but perhaps that was never the point. Perhaps 80 milliseconds is exactly enough time to feel like you're alive. If this made you think, you're already asking the right questions. See you in the next one.